how to undo delete for me messages on WhatsApp. So all you have to do is tap on WhatsApp application here and choose a message that you want to delete. Let's say this one. All you have to do is to long press the message here and tap on delete. On the bottom left part, you will see a trash bin there. And as you can see, delete for me. You have to make sure that you can only undo your delete for me for only 5 seconds, and after that you cannot undo everything. So as you can see here, if you tap on delete for me here, you can see message deleted for me, tap on undo, so you can undo the message. We cannot undo the delete for me messages on WhatsApp once the notification will vanish. If it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your WhatsApp application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.